Hey, welcome back to RV Walkthroughs. My name's Taylor Quayle. We're here in Tucson, Arizona at Podata RV Center, and we get a look at a 2023 used RV. Let's go check it out. I don't know how we got into 2023 and it's already used, but we are strictly a used dealership and we must have got a little lucky. This is a 2023 Riverside Retro RV 135 and this is my quick video tour of it. This is a single axle, no slide travel trailer, weighs 3640 in terms of the overall weight, 3,640 pounds, has about 750 pounds of cargo carrying capacity, so your dry weight's going to be right around 3,000 pounds. As you can see, it's this cute little turquoise exterior. Does have a little spare tire here that's also painted, electric tongue jack, single propane, single battery right there. It is a metal sided trailer and it does have a full pass-through storage, a 6-gallon gas or electric water heater, 30-amp power service, hookups for an exterior solar panel connection, all your water and outdoor shower hookups, plus your dump station. One of the most unique things about this trailer is it is a rear entry, which actually maximizes your floor plan to an extent. Right when you walk in to the right, you're greeted with the Furrion full-size fridge and freezer. And then you can see a cute little turquoise jackknife sofa. Right in front of that, in the front of the trailer, is going to be your queen bed. A little bit of storage there to the right. Your kitchen has everything you need. A little microwave, 2-burner gas stove top sink, and some storage. Flip her around here, look up front. Non-ducted AC unit right up top. Movable mounted TV that will go any which way you want it to. Rear bath with a full shower that's not a wet bath. We're selling this bad boy for $18,000. If you have any questions on it, I'll put all my contact info on the screen. You're welcome to reach out. Once again, my name's Taylor Quayle. We're here in Tucson, Arizona at Podata RV Center. This thing won't last long, so if you're interested, go ahead and shoot me a text. Hopefully you guys enjoy these quick little RV walkthroughs. Give you a little quick look instead of having to spend 15 minutes looking at one of these things. Thank you so much for viewing. Hope you guys have a great day.